that's where peace finally starts.
Now the moon reflecting off the water, feel different somehow tonight. Like maybe healing ain't forgetting, maybe it's finally releasing the fight. Just carrying bitterness get heavy, and I done dragged it far too long. I wanna love without bleeding on people, wanna feel whole before my life too gone. So if tomorrow comes softer, maybe this where it all begins. One honest prayer beside these waves, and a heart learning how to live again. Like waves crashing, I feel something breaking off of me. Not my spirit, just the wave. I was never meant to keep like waves crashing. Peace finally reaching me, and maybe forgiveness, the closest thing to freedom I ever seen.
Maybe healing sound like this.